At the beginning of this year, 2020, I started a new scout troop as the scoutmaster. And just as we were getting things going, everything changed. We had lots of plans for fundraisers and for things that would help us get ready for camp, and then suddenly camp even was in question, and fundraisers were out of the question. Well, in a week, we're heading out to camp. And we haven't had a chance to do any fundraisers. And we haven't had a chance to really collect much for gear for our troop. So, because of that, I've decided to resurrect an old friend. This is an old Kelty Grand Mesa 6 tent that we've had for several years now. It served us well as a family tent. I've taken it on several backpacking trips with the family, carrying all 13 pounds of it up the trail so that we can all stay together and backpack. My kids have backpacked since they were little, and I have a lot of fun memories with this tent. But it has seen better days. Really, the big thing that's wrong with it is the zippers. Really, all of them have gone bad, both on the fly and on the tent body inside. So, to be able to use this tent, I'm first going to have to fix these. I also have always wanted to modify this tent so I could use just the fly as kind of a garage tent or just a shelter. So we're going to take care of both of those things today and make this tent reusable again so my scouts can use it, assuming scout camp happens in a week. We'll see. And I also am gonna make that mod. There's also one rip that needed to be taken care of and some seams that we'll need to seal up. And with a little bit of sealant and 24 hours waiting, this tent is new again. Well, back in service. As a garage tent. Or a basic shelter. Can throw a couple cots in there. Can throw some bikes in there. Can throw gear in there. Can use it as a sun shelter. All kinds of different things. And I'll be able to use it for scouts. So, look for opportunities to give those old things new life. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this with friends. And I'll see you on the next video. Ciao. Be holding on to you. I guess we forgot about the way we could sit and talk all night. We just let the good times pass and got caught up in our fights. I say I don't mind, but that's a lie. Thought we'd work it out. I've tried to let you go. Memories, they tend to stay. Doesn't matter anyway, 'cause it won't be you and me. Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless.